Hello, I'm Nozomi from Art Even Home. Today we are going to make coconut coir moss ball. So moss ball will like a lot of tropical climbing plants, they need moisture because they're from tropical place, and also they need something to climb up. So this moss ball will help any of your tropical plants to kind of have that ideal environment, because this coconut coir keep your plants nice and moist and then soft and gentle so they can climb up too. So let's see what we are going to use to make this moss ball. And today, by the way, we have this beautiful philodendron horseheads. Can you guys see the babies here? Yes, definitely need a moss ball. Then the materials we are going to use are coconut coir. This is a dry coconut fiber. This one is particularly make it as like a sheet, so it's really easy to wrap something in, less mess. This one, and then this one, sphagnum moss. It's nice and wet, very moist. And also we have bamboo stick. Make sure it's like the perfect size for your pot. And then we got aluminum wires. This is actually made in Japan, and we carry this. And then something to cut. It could be scissors or knife, whatever you have and easy for you to use. By the way, this bamboo stick is 3 feet, and this coconut fiber is 2 feet. Okay, and then since the pot, I have a 6-inch pot, and I want something not too thick and that have a nice thickness, like kind of thin side of the moss ball. I wanted to make. Depends on the thickness. It depends on what plant you guys wanna make this moss ball for. Okay, so probably I'm gonna cut 6 to 8 inches, and then cut. I think it's really convenient for me because already, like, it's like a sheet, so you can roll easily. If you prefer, I know some people prefer to tear them down, so I guess you can adjust the thickness or how they look more, but I like just use the sheets for the outside. Okay. Then now I'm going to use some sphagnum moss inside, nice and evenly. This, by the way, reminds me of making sushi roll. On sushi roll, you don't want to put too much, right? Same thing, you don't want to put too much rice in it. Okay, and then after that, you want to cover a little more moss. Nice and even. And then now it's time to roll it. Oh. For me, if you have anyone to help you, I think this is a really fun to do with someone too. But like me, if you're by yourself, I think it's better to prepare, take out some wires in advance. I am going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 7 or 8, whatever you want. As many as wires or anything to tie. Okay, and then roll it nice and tight. Make sure sphagnum moss is gonna stay inside of. Okay, and I'm gonna use a bubble, and then I'm going to tie the bottom first. Tie it. And then one time. And then leftover, you can just wrap it. If you wanted to cut it, you can cut it too. After you do the bottom, I'll do the top part. Very top. Same thing what you did on the bottom. You just want to make sure it's nice and tight. And then you always can fix it like that, so no worries. Okay, and then now I'm gonna tie the center. Did I got two? Center. So point is, I just want to tell what I'm going to do. So if somebody wanted to, fast forward, you guys can do it. Just tie evenly. So I tie the bottom and top and the center. Then I'm going to tie the center again for each side, and then another one if you want to. So it's evenly tied. That's how you cut when you have a rolled sushi too. You cut it half and half and half of it. So it's gonna be everything the same. Okay. Now I'm gonna tie the bottom half. Find the middle part of the bottom half. And tight nicely. Tie it. And left over, you just wrap it around. And I'm gonna do the other side. I know a lot of ways you could use any strings to tie. I just find it's not easy to just keep rolling for me personally. So this is easiest and the neatest way to me. Okay, and then I if some of you think it's cool with this, I think this is done. How many wires did I use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was less than that I thought. It's perfect. And then you want to make sure by shaking it, make sure the moss part doesn't, move. Shake, 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 shake. I think it's pretty good. Okay. And then which way this. There we go. This guy naturally climbing up and rolled itself, but for this another one, I think she might need a little bit of help. So I'm going to use this one raffia to tight the plant into here on the moss ball. I like this because it's all natural material and very gentle to the plant. So let's see. I know this one's already attached back. And then please don't forget to spray outside of coconut coir. The sphagnum moss we use already nice and wet, but we want to make sure that the surface attached to the actual plants are wet. Spray, and it depends on the temperature, the humidity where you are at, but always make sure at least the surface, the area the plants are actually attached are very moist. And then once they get in grow more, of course you want to make sure this area is moist too. Okay, let's take a look. I didn't tie it too tight, but I think this is the final look of our moss ball. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel if you like the video, and if you have any questions or requests, please leave the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. ありがとうございました。